Today we're going to be discussing the use of TCCommInc's products for the applications in the public safety space. TCCommInc has been in operation since 1991, serving a variety of industries, including public safety, and one of our specializations is leased line replacement. All of our products are designed, manufactured, and supported from our Irvine, California headquarters. TCCommInc products connect legacy interfaces over modern networks. For example, you may want to connect analog radios over a more modern network such as Ethernet IP, T1 or E1, or dark fiber. However, when it comes to public safety, Ethernet and T1 are the most common transport mediums. When it comes to our solutions regarding public safety, we're going to cover four major areas: radio systems, channel bank replacement, IP systems for digital radio networks, and phones. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. In this case, we're looking at our Ethernet column under the analog row, and you'll find our jumbo switch TC3846-6 4-wire E&M 600 ohm and dry contact over IP interface card. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to our webpage for that product. Most of our business with public safety involves analog radio systems, and we're going to discuss how to replace the lease lines for these networks. We'll also be discussing voted systems, simulcast systems, and, for Motorola users, V.24. One of TCCommInc's specialties is replacing your leased lines. Leased lines are copper phone lines that are used in a direct point-to-point connection. The following diagram shows how we achieve this with our TC3846-6, which is a 4-wire E&M interface card over IP. The audio and the signaling is received by the TC3846-6. The signal is then converted to IP packets and is then transmitted over the network. The signal is then received by a second TC3846-6 device and then converted back to the audio and signaling. The reverse path is handled the exact same way. The connected equipment views the link as identical to the original connection, in this case, the leased analog line. Another superior advantage of the jumbo switch is uncompressed audio. This means there is zero distortion, zero compression for digital audio, and handles full fax and modems with the jumbo switch phone cards. For the analog cards, this allows for guard tones in an unrestricted fashion, especially those used in a radio voter application. However, for customers who would prefer to use T1, we have an equivalent solution using our mini channel bank. As you can see from this diagram, we're using our TC8614 4-wire E&M analog over T1 card to transmit the audio signal between the dispatch console and the radio repeater and transporting it over T1. TCCommInc can provide a perfect solution for a voted system, as shown in the following diagram. We're using our jumbo switch TC3846-6 4-wire E&M over IP interface card, and the advantage here is extremely low latency and uncompressed audio, allowing guard tones to be passed seamlessly. We can also achieve the exact same solution over T1 using our mini channel bank TC8614 4-wire E&M over T1 card. When it comes to V.24, we can simply add the TC3847-3 at each site connected over an IP network with one port connected to the equipment at site A and B, and again with two ports connected to the voter at the central dispatch site. Of course, if you require additional ports, you can always use more cards. Please watch our jumbo switch overview video to learn more about the jumbo switch and its flexible port connectivity. The link is in the description. Let's talk about channel bank replacement. Channel banks were popular in the past, but are now becoming obsolete and lack support. TCCommInc can offer a flawless replacement. We can replace channel banks with the jumbo switch as shown here. Or we can offer a channel bank replacement solution with our mini channel bank as shown in the following diagram. We do have more videos that offer a more detailed explanation of these solutions. Feel free to take a look. The links are in the description. Let's talk about IP systems for digital networks, as many of our customers would like to move from analog radio to P25 or other digital standards. Our jumbo switch is perfect for this. When using the jumbo switch, we can use a management combo card as shown here. Our jumbo switch TC3840-5 can be fitted with 2.5 gigabit SFPs and can be used to make either a ring or bus IP network. This diagram shows how this management card will facilitate the IP backbone as well as using the interface cards. Additional Ethernet ports can be applied for connecting a digital radio system. Should you require more Ethernet or SFP ports, you can add our jumbo switch TC3841 or 42 interface cards as shown here. If you require additional bandwidth, the jumbo switch has a 10G option as shown here. It comes in a 2U rack and has the capability for additional interfaces as well as providing the full 10G backbone. Looking at analog phones, we have a number of solutions. The example we'll look at is an extension over Ethernet. Of course, TCCommInc can provide phone solutions over T1 and fiber as well. You can have a TCCommInc device at each end, which provides an extension of a PBX line. Another very common solution we provide is called a crash phone. We have a variety of solutions from a single crash phone link to more complex solutions, such as with the TC8938, where a phone is extended up to 7 lines. We also have a variety of different phone solutions provided by our jumbo switch line of products, by which multiple PSTN lines can be provided through multiple phone extensions. One of the advantages of the jumbo switch is a built-in PBX, so you can actually dial between the phones and their extensions. It's worth mentioning that all TCCommInc products can withstand a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Also, an impressive range of mounting options are also available to fit any application. For more information, please visit TCComm.com. You can view our product matrix by scrolling here, or you can get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thank you for watching.